Hello to everybody, welcome back to Make. In today's video, let's make together this character. To start making this doll, you will need the template which is in the description box. Just click on the link. In addition, you will find the material needed there. So let's begin with the process. To begin, we have to cut the eyes and the mouth in the face felt fabric piece. Then let's stick a piece of felt behind to cover eyes and mouth. Next, we will need the mouth and eyes felt pieces to be stuck so as to level up the surface. To finish the eyes, let's add the pupils with thread. Then make the eyebrows. They could be made only for one line. To make the nose and the skirt, I'm going to make them as I see in the template. Right now we will work on the feet. We are going to start with a line. That is going to be located in the middle. Then we have to fix the line and try to make it a little bit curved. So let's attach the line. With at least 6 stitches. Now we have to slowly pull the thread between stitches to have a better effect in the smile. Then we will stick the hair to the head. Let's work on the body. We have to sew it. Now add some polyester fiber little by little. To make the feet, we will need 2 pieces in peach color and 2 in dark brown. We have to completely sew them and fill them. So let's stick them to the legs. Let's continue with the clothes. We are going to start with the short trousers. First, sew the crotch. Then we have to put the trousers on the doll and sew it. Now I'm going to stick the head to the body. Sew it and fill it. Let's keep up with the vest. I will sew one side first. And put the vest on the doll and finish the seam. To make the hat, let's sew or stick a long red piece. Next, add the hat base. Sew it. And finish the hat. Now we're just going to make the last details. For making the sandal straps, we will choose thread. We have to work on 3 straps. Pulling the threads 3 or 4 times. Then sew the cups. Starting by the crotch. We're going to add the buttons. Finally, stick the hat and fill it. This is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this doll, please let me know in the comments, thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe, just hit the red button below, that will be a great support. Please make sure of turning on notifications so you don't lose any of these videos. You can also follow this content here and here. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.